I am in CBA 396 and I am in student view. So here is how a student can leave a comment on an assignment or a quiz, even if it's completed and the due date has long passed. It is essentially a backdoor. So here we go. I'm a test student. I'm going to go to grades. And then here are all the assignments in the course. So I can click on, this is September 3rd. So that was 23 days ago. I can click here. And if I want to, I can come to the comment box and submit a comment and save. So that's how a student can essentially use a backdoor to submit a comment or an attachment to a quiz or an assignment after the due date and even after it's been graded.